Best affiliate marketing for beginners. Best way to start affiliate marketing for beginners, Wealthy Affiliate. Have you been wanting to start your own business online in 2018? Affiliate marketing has been one of the most popular choices for working online. However, if you are a beginner, you might want to get the basics first. Affiliate marketing training that offers both lessons and videos for easy following is the way to go. And because you're a beginner, you also want something that is free to join. The internet is full of useful information and it is also full of scam artists. It seems that everyone is offering that secret method or golden shortcut. The best way to steer clear of the scams is to learn affiliate marketing the right way. True enough, you won't start earning 6 to 7 figures overnight. But, you do want to learn the correct methods to get you there faster. Learning blogging, keyword research, content writing and list building are some of the basics to affiliate marketing. Blogging, keyword research, content writing and list building all go together. If done properly can mean a significant income for years to come. Blogging itself can be fun, if you write about something you're passionate about. Any blog can be monetized, but you must write engaging content to develop a following. Once you get a following, you can use Google AdSense, affiliate networks or sell your own products. Keyword research is needed to rank your blog post for specific keywords. I'm not going to get into keyword research because there are a lot of methods out there. List building is where you collect emails from visitors to your blog. With these emails you can send out newsletters or even promote other affiliate products in your niche. Just like with the blog, you must develop a relationship with your subscribers. You can jazz up your blog post with images or even YouTube videos. Anything that will get your message across to your readers. A great affiliate marketing course is Wealthy Affiliate. It has excellent training for beginners, lessons and videos and it's free to join. Don't go at it alone, join Wealthy Affiliate and learn the right way with a community that is there to help you every step of the way. Best affiliate marketing for beginners. Best way to start affiliate marketing for beginners, Wealthy Affiliate. Click the link in the description to learn more about Wealthy Affiliate. As a starter, it's free to join.